he told me his mother had the second sight. He came from the Western Isles, from Lewis, and he told me a story once that he was helping his mother do the dishes. He was drying the dishes or whatever role either was playing, and his mother said, "Oh, that's Mrs. So-and-so away." And he thought, looking out the window, where Mrs. So-and-so? But she was talking about a woman on the other side of the island who had just died. But she saw it. She had the second sight. And he's the only person I've ever met that I believed a lot on that topic. I've never believed that kind of stuff. I'm a total skeptic. But from Donnie, I totally believed it. It was told in such a lovely, ordinary way, a total acceptance on his part.